Alright, it's Jduck here again. I know y'all tired of the footage of this, but this is just something we've never seen before. A canvasback, much less with a snake hanging out of his nose. Looks like some type of eel. Paul's gonna pull it out.
Attempt to pull it out. Oh, it didn't go that far. Is it an eel? It's gotta be an eel. Yeah.
It's an eel. God, look at his nose bleeding. They ain't gonna let me put this on the internet. That was in the duck's nose. Look at that pretty rascal right there.
And we got about 100, 150 sitting on the water out here waiting on them.
There's a whole nother group sitting out there.
Swim on too.
Y'all stay tuned.